Good. Good.
Kuya, I want chicken. I want chicken now, Kuya. Chicken.
Chicken's
Kuya,
coming.
let me soup. I want soup. I want soup now. I want soup.
Soup is coming. Yes, soup is coming.
I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
Baby, ice cream is
Yeah.
after you eat. After you eat. Just ice cream after you eat. Okay? Okay?
Kuya.
Make subo first.
Kuya, wawa naman Carol. Wala sa chair. Hingi ako chair. Hingi ako chair.
We'll give her a chair. Baby.
No, I want
We'll give her a chair.
I want chair, Carol.
Yeah, subo first.
No, I want chair.
Okay, baby, I'll get you a chair.
Ay, hindi nga kasi...
Oh my gosh.
Pinaghihinipan mo ba talaga ako?
No, miss, hindi ko sinasadya. Miss,
Bakit kailangan mo ko ito?
I wasn't looking. Hindi ko, takot ako, okay? Give it to me. I deserve it. No, please, suntukin mo na lang ako, please. Alam ko, asar na asar ka na sa akin. Suntukin mo na ako. Okay lang. Nagulugod ako para patawarin mo ako. I'm sorry.
Tumayo ka dyan!
I'm sorry, miss.
Bakit lahat ng tao eh?
I am really sorry. Hindi ako tatayo talaga dito hanggat hindi mo ako pinapatawad. I'm sorry. I feel so guilty already. Sorry.
Oo na, tumayo ka na dyan! Pinapatawad na kita! Tumayo ka na dyan! Kuya! Kiss!
Baby, no!
Kiss! Kuya, kiss!
Baby, no!
Kuya, kiss! Kiss, kuya!
Baby!
Biglang nanlambot ang mga tuhod ni Ara. Tila gusto niyang matunaw. Ito ang kanyang unang halik. At kahit kailan, hindi niya hinangad makuha ito mula sa isang lalaking hindi niya kilala. Kahit sa pangalan.